Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I will show you to capture all WhatsApp messages which are sent by user or customer and save those messages in the Google Sheet one by one. Okay, now let's see how it is working. This is Meta official WhatsApp cloud account. For example, this is the business account. Now if I message here, hello, good morning, then automatically this message will log here. Now you can see message appeared here, timestamp, profile name, phone number, and this is the same message what I sent from my own WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp. Now if I send another message, oh sorry, are you expert in Google Apps script? I hope this message, this message appeared here. If I want to reply the message within 24 hours, it is open window rule and there will be no charge from Meta. So I want to reply yes. Then this is the reply will be sent. Okay, now you can see WhatsApp message is sent successfully. Now if I go to my WhatsApp, I should have received the message. Yeah, I received. This is the message which one I replied from Google Sheet. I want to message on more. I asked this question, can you help me in WhatsApp automation project? And you can see this is the same message appeared. Now I want to reply here. One more thing I missed to explain, that whenever message is sent, also I am tracking the status. If this message is read, sent, or delivered, or for any reason it is failed, then I can see the status here in this column. Here I want to send a reply. Whenever I will hit enter, then it will trigger and it will send the message. WhatsApp message is sent successfully. Now we can see the status is sent. Whenever I will visit my WhatsApp and I will read that message, instantly the status is updated. You can see here. That's how it is working. But the next question is, what will happen if I send any attachment like image, PDF? Yeah, definitely we can download those attachments or media files in Google Drive, and I can list here the file links. It means also we can download any kind of media files which are sent by user or customer. Again, one more improvement I can do here, that right now this chatting system, it is inside the Google Sheet, but I can convert this chatting system in WhatsApp web version. It's like kind of WhatsApp web. You can see you can get some more features there, and you can reply from there, and many user can use this inbox chatting system like WhatsApp web version. Anyway, if you need this Google Sheet, this kind of automation or customized Google Sheet and more improvements, any kind of WhatsApp business or WhatsApp cloud account automation, to contact me. My WhatsApp number and email are given in the description box, also in the comment section. Anyway, thanks for your time to watch this video till end. See you again. Bye bye.